ever feel nervous when you talk about money in English?
Yes, many English learners feel shy talking about money.
Maybe you don't know what words to use. Maybe you worry about sounding rude.
Or maybe you don't understand when people talk about bills, rent, or salary.
Today's podcast is for you.
Today, we talk about real English people use when talking about money.
Simple words, real situations, slow conversation. Let's start. Jake, is it easy for you to talk about money?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no,
Why?
because money is personal.
Yes, personal means private, not for everyone.
Right. But in daily life, we must talk about money.
Like buying food.
Yes, or shopping.
Let's start with a simple question. How much is this?
That is a very useful sentence.
Say it slowly. How much is this?
You can use it in a store, in a market, in a cafe.
Example. How much is this coffee?
It's $3.
Simple, easy, natural.
Jake, when do you say something is expensive?
When the price is high.
High price equals expensive.
Low price equals cheap.
Example, this phone is expensive.
This t-shirt is cheap.
Repeat with us. Expensive. Cheap.
Very important daily words. Let's talk about restaurants.
Yes, a very real situation.
You finish eating.
Then the server brings the bill.
Bill means the paper that shows the price.
You can say, "Can I get the bill?"
Or, can we pay now?
Then you choose cash or card.
Repeat. Cash, card.
Example, can I pay by card?
Do you take cash? Jake, what do you say when eating with friends?
We often say split the bill.
Split means share.
Each person pays a part.
Example, let's split the bill.
Or, I'll pay this time.
Nice and friendly.
Now, a more serious topic.
Salary.
Salary means money you get from your job.
Monthly pay.
People sometimes feel shy talking about salary.
Yes, because it is personal. But at work, you may need to talk about it. Example, what is the salary?
Or, I get paid every month.
Paid means you receive money. I have a story.
Tell me.
My friend moved to the US.
Okay.
He went to a restaurant.
Yes?
He didn't understand the bill.
Oh no.
He thought the tip was part of the food price.
Ah, tip.
Tip means extra money for service.
Very common in the US.
So he paid the wrong amount.
That happens a lot. Jake, do you save money?
Yes, I try.
Save money means keep money, not spend it.
Example, I'm saving money for travel.
Nice sentence.
Repeat slowly. I'm saving money. Another real situation.
Borrowing money.
Borrow means take money and give back later.
Example, can I borrow $10?
And the answer, sure, or sorry, not today.
Many learners make a mistake.
They say, give me money.
That sounds rude.
Better to say, can you lend me some money?
Lend means give money to someone for a short time.
Do you use a budget?
Yes.
Budget means plan for money.
Example, I have a small budget.
I need to save.
Money can make people stressed.
Yes,
Bills, rent, school.
but talking helps.
Yes, talking makes things easier.
Let's repeat important sentences. Slow together. How much is this? That's expensive. That's cheap. Can I get the bill? Let's split the bill. I'm saving money. Can I borrow some money? I get paid every month.
Today, we talked about real English for money.
Shopping, restaurants, salary, saving.
Simple words.
Real life.
Remember, talking about money is normal.
And you can do it in English. Listen again.
Repeat the sentences.
Practice speaking out loud.
Tell us, what money topic is hard for you?
Shopping, work, bills.
Leave a comment.
We'll make more episodes for you.
See you next time.